beautiful as it is easy, this year's Gabor collection is all about manageable hair that manages to look polished. The Gabor collection features 3 ready-to-go styles, each with their own classic charm. Gabor's stylish shapes, multi-dimensional colors, and practical construction are sure to add a beautiful touch no matter what your lifestyle. Want to stand out from the crowd with little to no effort? Well, then Let's Lambada is the style for you. This contemporary short style has generous layering throughout, a textured bang which flatters the eyes, and elegantly shaped sides that smooth into a neck-hugging nape. A quick shake out of the box and a little finger styling is all it takes, and Let's Lambada is ready for a night out. This short shag style is a royal tease for all the right reasons. The irresistible textured layers that create this modern do can be teased up for volume or brushed smoothly away from the face thanks to its sheer lace front. Royal tease is one trending style that won't leave you wanting for more. Mod About You is truly a modern look. With soft waves and textured ends that style up to perfection, this style has a timeless appeal that works for all ages. A mono part allows for various parting options, and a sheer lace front lets you indulge in seamless off-the-face styling. Without question, you'll be putting the mod in modern when you're wearing Mod About You. The wigs have all been designed to be modern, practical, and above all, to be as fabulous as you. So, no matter what style you choose, one thing is for sure. You're going to look beautiful and feel beautiful in Gabor.